Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
And I'm Rachel. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here.
We are. It's always great to practice English with you.
Yes, but wait, Charles. Before we start our topic...
You know what to do.
Yes. Please, everyone, if you like our podcast, click like. Give us a thumbs up.
It helps us so much. And please subscribe. Click that button.
When you subscribe, you get all our new episodes. You don't miss anything.
And share. Share with your friends, your family.
Everyone who wants to learn English in a fun and easy way.
Okay, all done.
Yes. So, Charles, what is our big topic today?
Today, we are talking about the future.
The future? Ooh, like spaceships and robots?
No, not the big future. A simple future.
Simple future? What is that?
We are talking about tomorrow.
Ah, tomorrow. Okay, I know tomorrow.
Yes, or next week.
Next week.
Or next weekend.
Okay, so how to talk about tomorrow? That sounds very useful.
It is. When we talk about today, we say, I am here.
Yes, I am here. You are here.
But tomorrow, we are not here. Tomorrow, we will be here.
Ah, will be.
Yes, will is our magic word for the future. W-I-L-L.
Will. Okay, so this one word, will, makes it the future.
Exactly. It is so easy, Rachel. You just add will.
Okay, how?
You take the verb, eat, sleep, go.
Yes, I know eat.
Me too. So today, I eat an apple.
I eat an apple. Okay.
Tomorrow, I will eat an apple.
That's it? Just add will?
Just add will. The verb eat does not change. No S, nothing.
Wow. Okay, let me try.
Go ahead.
Today, I watch TV.
Good. And tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I will watch TV.
Perfect. You did it.
That is easy. Okay. Today, I read a book.
And next week?
Next week, I will read a book.
Yes. This is fantastic. You can talk about the future.
Okay, more. I listen to music.
Tomorrow?
I will listen to music.
Yes. See? Any verb. I will go. I will see. I will talk.
I will learn English.
Yes, you will learn English. That is a great example.
This is good. So let's talk about our day. Tomorrow.
Great idea. This is wonderful practice.
Okay, tomorrow is Thursday.
Yes, Thursday. So, in the morning, what will you do?
In the morning, I will wake up at 7 a.m.
7 a.m. Good.
Then I will brush my teeth and I will take a shower.
Very good. What about breakfast? What will you eat?
For breakfast, I think I will eat yogurt and fruit.
That sounds healthy.
I try. Okay, after breakfast, I will go to work.
Me too. I will go to work.
Will you see me at work?
Yes, I will. We will record a podcast.
We will. This is fun. It's like making a plan.
Exactly. A plan is all about the future.
Okay, so after work, in the evening,
What will you do in the evening, Rachel?
I will go home. I will cook dinner.
What will you cook?
I will cook pasta. Yes, pasta is easy.
I love pasta. Good choice.
And after dinner, I will call my mom.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, we will talk on the phone.
And then?
Then I will be sleepy. I will go to bed.
A perfect day. And you used will for everything.
Wow. I will wake up. I will eat. I will cook. I will talk.
And it is the same for everyone. I will, you will, he will, she will.
Oh, he will go, not he wills go?
No S, never. He will go, she will go, we will go, they will go.
It is simple.
It is simple. It's the simple future.
Okay, but what about no?
Ah, a good question. The negative.
Yes. How do I say no for the future?
It is also easy. You add one small word.
What word?
Not.
Oh, I will not go.
Yes, that is perfect, Rachel. I will not go.
I will not eat pasta tomorrow. I will eat salad.
Oh, a good healthy choice. I will not watch TV tonight.
I will not work on Saturday.
Yes, Saturday is the weekend. I will not wake up at 7 a.m.
No, I will sleep.
Good. So will not. Now, there is a short word, a contraction.
Like don't or can't.
Exactly like that. For will not, we say won't.
Won't?
Yes, won't.
Won't. It sounds fast.
It is. We use it a lot when we speak. I won't go.
I won't go.
He won't be late.
She won't forget.
Yes. Will not, won't. Same meaning.
Okay. Won't. I will try. No, I won't forget.
That's very good. So tomorrow, I won't eat yogurt. I will eat eggs.
Great example. I won't go to the park. I will go to work.
You are a star, Rachel. This is perfect.
I am learning. Okay, so we have yes, will, and no, won't.
Yes.
What is missing?
What is missing?
Questions.
Yes, questions. We need to ask about the future.
How do we do that?
Do you remember you will go?
Yes, you will go.
To make a question, we switch the words.
Switch. You mean, will you go?
Yes, that is it. You are so smart.
Wow. Okay, so you will eat pasta.
Becomes
Will you eat pasta?
perfect. And the answer is very easy.
Yes, I will eat pasta.
You can say that. Or a short answer. Yes, I will.
Yes, I will. Ah,
Or for no,
no, I won't.
exactly. Yes, I will. No, I won't.
This is great. Okay, let's practice. A mini role play.
I love role plays. You ask me questions about my day tomorrow.
Okay? Hello, Charles.
Hello, Rachel. Will you wake up early tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Thursday. Yes, I will. I will wake up at 6:30 a.m.
6:30. Wow, that is early.
I know. Okay, will you drink coffee for breakfast?
Yes, I will. Always coffee.
Me too. um, will you walk to work?
No, I won't. I will take the bus.
No, I won't. Good. Okay, will you eat lunch at 12?
Yes, I will. I will eat a sandwich.
And in the evening, will you go to the cinema?
No, I won't. I will be tired.
Me too.
I will just read my book.
That sounds nice. Wow, I asked questions about the future.
You did, and I answered. See, we are having a conversation about tomorrow.
I feel very powerful.
That is the goal. This is a tool. Now you can make plans. You can ask friends, will you go to the party?
Will you see the movie?
What time will you be here?
What time will you? Where will you?
Yes, add the question words. What will you eat?
Where will you go?
When will you sleep?
Wow. Okay. My brain is full.
It is a lot, but it is one simple idea.
Yes, the magic word, will.
Let's review the big ideas one more time.
Good idea. So, to talk about the future, tomorrow, next week,
We use will plus the verb. I will go.
and the verb never changes. He will go, she will go.
Perfect. For no,
We say, will not. I will not go.
or the short word,
I won't go.
excellent. And for questions,
We switch. You will go becomes, will you go?
and the short answers,
Yes, I will. Or, no, I won't.
fantastic. That is everything. You are ready to talk about the future.
I am. I feel ready.
And remember, everyone listening, practice. Talk about your tomorrow.
Yes, even in your head.
That's a great tip. Think, tomorrow I will wake up. I will eat breakfast.
It's good practice. Thank you, Charles. This was so clear and easy.
You did all the work, Rachel, and you all did great listening.
Wow, that is all our time for today. Time flies.
It does. Thank you all so much for listening to English on the Way.
We hope this episode helps you talk about the future.
Yes, and please don't forget to subscribe.
And share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
And for today's comment, I have a good one.
What is it?
In the comments, tell us, what is one thing you will do tomorrow?
Ooh, I love that. Tomorrow I will...
Yes! Tomorrow I will drink coffee. Tomorrow I will study English.
Tomorrow I will listen to English on the Way.
We hope so. Let us know in the comments. We love to read them.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing.
And we will see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.